Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody! Thanks for joining me here again at Daily Doodles for you. And today's doodle is going to be Cone Mouth Kirby. So this is from the new game Kirby and the Forgotten Land. When Kirby sucks in this cone, it it turns him into like a triangle shape, and I thought it was super cute. So let's draw that today. Alright, so I'm going to start by drawing a big cone shape. Like that. And I'm going to do a little arm right here. And we're going to come on down a little bit further. Then over here we can come down a little bit further too. And we can do his other little arm right here on this side. And now we're going to do his mouth. So it's going to be like that. Kind of like a big smile. And here we've got a little shape like that. And right here we're curving a little bit and then connecting that line. And now we're going to come down a little bit. And we're going to come down a little bit here on this side too. And now we're going down right here, straight line, and we're curving to connect with that other line there. And we're going to curve and connect to this one as well. And now we're doing a little straight line. And then we're going to follow that top part, that top line. And right here we're going to curve and then come on into the Kirby mouth. Like that. And now Kirby's side here, he's going to come on in right there. And now he needs a foot like that. And let's give him another foot right there. And let's do those eyes. So they're two ovals. And then we can do a little circle. And then we can do a little shape there at the bottom. And then color the middle part in dark. And he's got two little blushy cheeks. Okay, and now we can get started on our coloring. Alright everyone, so that is it for today's doodle. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one. Bye!